Hey y'all, so I gotta do this video because I have to tell people how to fix this because I just fixed it and it has been driving me absolutely insane and I finally figured out how to do it. So if you're having an issue like me where you were never seeing any movement here with the the green arrows, and you were just seeing the 1 and 2 were empty, so it didn't even show you the battery. That's because they're not paired. I didn't know why this was happening, but they just were not paired for some reason. So I finally looked all over, and I finally found a form. Actually, it was just the official website that actually had the instructions on how to pair these two manually. Because typically what it says is just to hold the on button at the same time, and they'll pair. But that's not what was happening at all. So what I ended up doing was reading that, and what it said was to go ahead and press the 1-2 button right here, down here, until you select the channel that you want. I wanted this one, so you can see there's a gray box around it. And then what you want to do is, that was my camera turning off. And then what you want to do is you want to hold down the infinity button, which is this guy right here, and that's the pairing. And then the little like Wi-Fi icon will start flashing. Once that starts flashing, you have to click this one time, just one time, and it'll just pair. That's it. This was driving me insane. I actually bought like a cheap knockoff or something like that from Amazon just to see if this would work better, but it was trash. And then I tried to give this another go because these are really good. And there you go. So it finally worked. One note, you do have to make sure that you're on the same firmware. There is an app for that. It's called the Road Central. I think it's called Road Central something, but you can download it. It's totally free. And then you plug in this guy to your computer with your USB-C, and it'll tell you what firmware each one of them are on. So just be sure that you're on the same firmware. Also give it some charging, some time to charge both of them. This one's about 10% right now, maybe 11, and this one's about 80% right now, but this still worked with that percentage. All right, so I sincerely hope this helped you guys because it was driving me absolutely nuts. But that is how you manually pair your Rode wireless go-to microphone. Thanks.